Honeybee. This week's episode is all about Taylor Swift again. I saw a lot of videos of people doing tutorials on her hair, or more like, oh, I'm gonna try do my hair like Taylor Swift. The issue there was they used an iron that was too small. I'm gonna show you all in this episode how to get the most accurate Taylor Swift hair in the easiest way possible. So please keep watching. Okay dogs, first thing you need to do, put in some heat protectant. Oh yeah, this is a Blockade by Amika. It's kind of like a serum. You could use it when your hair is dry or damp. The tool you'll need that is the most important is this. This is what's gonna either make your hair look like Taylor Swift curls or not. This is a 3/4 inch wand. If you have a normal curl iron, whatever, you'll just have to open the clamp and then wrap the hair around, but this will be the fastest way. You see how long that bar is? Ooh, baby. So let's get into it, folks. You wanna take like sections like that big or like an inch. The bottom section is gonna be a little bigger because who cares? We just need to put some shape in there. We're gonna use a little bit of hairspray. You wanna make sure that holds. This is like a medium hold hairspray. Give that a second to dry, dog. A little bit of your cocktail. Ooh, fun. We're getting ready for the Eras tour. Ooh. Let's start on this side. I'm taking a little bit bigger sections down here, and then when I get to the top and front, I'll probably take a little smaller sections so that the curls are tighter, and just wrap that sucker around, dog. Hold it for 10 seconds or until the hair is hot. So we're gonna be alternating directions all over the head until we get to the top. And if you have longer hair, this is gonna be so much easier with this iron, because damn, that thing is long, dog. Make sure you have a cocktail and some music pumping, baby. Hairspray. I think I went a little too hardcore in my makeup today. I feel like a clown, but whatever. Okay, on to the next section here. Ooh, top, baby, top. So this top half, I'm gonna go halfway down the hair. I'm wrapping it towards the face, letting that set. And now I'm gonna go back in where I left off and curl it away from the face. This just makes it look like more of that natural kind of curl, but it's not necessary. You could just go over the whole head and alternate directions. This literally will take you twice as long. But that looks so fire, man. Pop a couple of those in there, you'll be good to go, bud. This is my take on Taylor Swift curls, but you can do whatever the hell you want. Ow, hurt my finger. Keep doing that all over your sections, and then I'll show you how to do the front and the top, because that's also really important. Don't be scared when it looks nothing like the freaking inspo, because we'll get there. You wait till the finished product, man. You don't judge cookies when they're half baked. You judge your cookies when they're fresh out of the oven, baby. Woo! I think honeybee is synonymous with margaritas. Come on now. That's what's up, dog. I'm gonna curl this section and I'll be back. The last section I'm gonna take kind of like in the corners of my hairline, and then that will be like our top section, our detailing, where we take the most care with it. I'm so stoked to see Taylor Swift. I can't wait to see what the surprise songs are gonna be. Please comment if you are going. I want to hear like all about it, like what your favorite song is and stuff. My favorite song of all time is Cowboy Like Me and All Too Well 10-minute version. And give yourself extra time. But you just know you don't want to, like, if something goes wrong, you don't want to be like, oh dang, like, now we're late. I'm not missing a damn minute of Taylor Swift. I'll crawl there if I have to, girl. And yeah, I've done this to my hair before. Post a photo here. It was for a Taylor Swift dance party that was in Winnipeg. Taylor always had her hair parted on the side, so I'm gonna part mine to the side now. Then I'm going to divide the thicker section into two. And you know what, I'll just push this over here. Let's start with this side. So I was gonna get merch, but the merch lines are just out of control. Like, come on, I want that sweater. I'm going like, I deserve to have that sweater. I'm not waiting 6 hours, man. I'm paying so much to be in Houston. I'm not sitting in line for that damn long. Cross my fingers it comes online after, whatever. Also, I'm freaking killing it on this hairstyle, dogs. Woo! Should've known that word. What'd you do with her? Get back to honeybee. FYI, for like your pieces that are around your face, always do it away from your face so they're not freaking annoying. Let's get that section back in there on the side, wherever the hell you want it. And it should have been there in the back of your mind. Fun fact, Tim McGraw was the first song I've ever learned on a guitar. Can I remember it? No, not a chance, but whatever. Okay, so the last two sections that are here, we're gonna be curling it all the way from the face. I'm gonna switch over and work on my TikToks. I'll be back. Okay, folks, so I'm all done on those last sections, and also I had a little costume change. Had to get in the Taylor Swift vibes. Anyways, these last two sections I just curled away from my face. Use a bunch of hairspray and make sure you let it set for 10 minutes. I'm just gonna start running my fingers through everything to break up the curls. Okay, you guys, I think it's getting better. I think it'll settle a little bit though. Okay, so I think this is the most accurate Taylor Swift hair you're gonna be able to get at home. And the perfect iron is the 3/4 inch wand. And that iron's tight because it's so dang long. But he's never enough. I think it looks so good. Thanks so much for watching another one of my videos. I'm Honeybee. If you were digging this content today, then please don't forget to subscribe and comment if you have any questions. I'll see you next week or at the Taylor concert. Bye. Also, if you're going to the Taylor Swift concert, please comment below which one. And if you're going to Houston, hit me up. I'd love to see ya. Okay, bye.